Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, here we go. We got another unboxing. We got some yard toys here. This is the Shadow Creek 7-piece all-weather wicker bar set. Just like the previous videos, we're going to do a quick open boxing, let you guys see exactly what's in the box. And then I'm going to do pretty much a time stamp on putting this together. Alright, I'll pause and show you any type of issues, what to look out for, or just pretty much how I'm putting this together. And then once it's all done, I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and please like and subscribe. Alright, so let's get into the video. Just to let you know, when you put this together, you need to get some extra hands in helping you put this together. These benches took a long time to put together. It's not difficult, it's just a lot of screws. So if you got some small hands, son, daughter, get the kids out, have them come out there and help you put these things together, because it will take you a long time by doing it yourself. But once you get it all together, it's straight, basic, and the set is nice. It's very nice. This is the look of it. And again guys, thank you for staying with me. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you on the next one. Alright, peace.